Hello, everyone. Hello, everyone.
Hi there, and thanks for having me, Slava.
Thanks for coming. We continue our regular meetings with our partners and notable DeFi projects, notable crypto projects. And today we have LocalTrade here. I personally know the team of LocalTrade, the founders of LocalTrade. We also met several times in Dubai and Kyiv, and it's a big pleasure to talk with you. And please tell us more about yourself. Please tell us more about your project, and we will continue with the questions from our
Yeah,
community.
of course. First of all, I want to thank you again for having me here. It's really an honor to be here. And my name is Ivan. I'm marketing officer from the LocalTrade team. Yes, and I think that should be pretty self-explanatory. Yeah.
Good to have you here. LocalTrade is actually the whole ecosystem. It's not just centralized exchange or decentralized exchange. And I believe Ivan will tell us more about their platforms, their ecosystem. In order to this conversation, why we have mutual AMA session. PureFi gonna provide anti-money laundering analytics and compliance for their ecosystem. And also we're gonna have several co-branding, co-marketing activities. I wish luck their IDO, which is happening soon, I guess. And our community and the PureFi are gonna help with this idea as well. So please tell us even more about the ecosystem. What is LocalTrade in general?
Yeah, of course. So first of all, LocalTrade is initially a centralized crypto exchange, but times have changed, and we realized that being just a crypto exchange is merely not enough. So we decided to move into a little bit different direction, into the direction that is connected with our financial activities. It's decentralized finance. DeFi is growing large right now. Yes, so what we're trying to build is to build a DeFi, something like an onboarding platform to DeFi, so that users can go there, they can check our exclusive offerings and products, and they can enter the DeFi space without the technical limitations of the crypto sphere, and without the limitations imposed by too much the monetary barriers. So the two main issues are technical barriers and monetary barriers for the people to enter the DeFi scene, and we're trying to eliminate those two barriers by giving users more opportunities on our platform. So we have several products coming out right now. So the first one is LocalTrade NeoBroker. NeoBroker Smart Fund is essentially the tokenized securities fund, so that people are going to be able to invest in private equity companies, acquire tokenized securities in the form of BEP20 standard tokens, and receive as dividends. And they're going to be able to redeem those tokenized securities whenever these companies are going on IPO, going public. Yes, so the other product is Yield Farming Aggregator. It's pretty much an aggregator of yield farming opportunities, decentralized exchanges, and liquidity pools where users can provide their own tokens to be utilized as liquidity, to be utilized for farming. And the third of our products that are going to be initially featured in the ecosystem is the ICO Invest Pool, so that people are going to be able to invest, to engage into the hottest, newest token sales. Yes, without the limitations imposed by those token sales, like KYC or like financial barriers. Yes.
So correct me if I'm wrong. You already have something built. It's not just an idea or white paper and PDF. You already built something, you have software, or is
Yes,
this
we do have software. So actually, for what we have realized right now, we have already established, developed the LocalTrade CEX. It's up and running for almost like 3 years, I think. Yes. Other than that, we have actually rebuilt the trading engine inside it. We have developed. We're actually launching the NeoBroker Smart Fund today, so it's going to be available in probably in like an hour or two. And also we have started with our token sale. We are going on with the LocalTrade token sale. We have our own token that is used as a utility and as a security to allows us to attract people to our platform. Yes, and it provides a nice utility in all of our products across all the ecosystem. Yes.
Thank you. So actually, the listeners of this AMA session heard firstly about you announce. I mean, security platform, right?
The NeoBroker Smart Fund.
Yeah, brokers. Yeah, brokers.
Actually, we have already announced that it is coming soon. Yes, that it's coming in like a couple days. But yeah, the exact release date is being opened right now.
Okay, good. And what is more important, I believe, for PureFi's community, that we're gonna conduct pre-IDO small round for LocalTrade. So it's gonna be big news next week, hopefully. And let's continue to the question from our community, from your community. We have two sections. And let's move to the first one. You already addressed the first question, what LocalTrade in general is. Among the product mentioned, I noticed neobanking app. Is it already live? What is functionality?
So actually, the neobanking app, it's right now it is more of a concept. As we are developing in the DeFi sphere, in the sphere of financial activities, we want to provide more people from emerging countries, from emerging markets, and also from developed markets with more opportunities to use crypto in their everyday lives. So in order to do this, we're going to be partnering with Visa and launching our LocalTrade Visa cards. They're coming out, I think, probably in second quarter of year 2022. And the neobanking app is pretty much a development, a further evolution of our of the story with LocalTrade Visa cards. Because the neobanking app it's gonna inherit all of the essential features needed to track your portfolio, and it's gonna be providing users with the ability to convert funds from cryptocurrency to fiat funds and use those funds as if they were like their own. Yes, so we're giving people the ability to use cryptocurrency with the convenience of fiat money, and this is a neobanking concept. So we're trying to build this app and deliver it until the third quarter of 2022, I think. Yes. So it's not live yet; it's in development.
Okay, thank you. And the next question is, how do you differentiate yourself from your competitors? Sorry, and there are a lot of questions regarding your vision and strategy. Please, you can do it in one answer.
Yeah, of course. Our mission and vision is really tied to our approach to competitors and how we see ourselves as a company. What we want to do is we want to bring the retail investors and simple and easy ability to invest and to enter the DeFi market, because traditional finance market right now, it is huge. It's over 100 trillion, I think, and DeFi market is something like $200 billion in volume. So what we're trying to do is we're trying to onboard retail investors into the DeFi sphere using our platform. We're giving them integrated fiat payment gateways so that they can be they can start investing in decentralized finance from only $10. In most cases, people can start investing in the products that we offer either starting with 25,000 grants, or by acquiring a lot of other legal papers. So they need to like brokerage license and whatnot. And what we're doing it simple, convenient, and secure, since it's all blockchain based.
Yeah, thank you. And talking about onboarding institutional investors to DeFi ecosystem is exactly the place where PureFi gonna help how to protect yourself and your investments from the dirts.
Yeah, that's great, because you can clean up the institutional money. Thanks.
Yeah, and the next question is rather to PureFi. Please explain very simply what is usefulness of your project for crypto users, if possible, just an example. So the easiest example is right here. We protect local trade from going dirt inside the platform, and we protect honest market players which essentially want to participate in DeFi market from dishonest. Moving to the next question. Are you planning to launch a referral program? If yes, what are your thoughts about and how it should look like?
Is that a question for me or for you again?
It's rather for LocalTrade.
For LocalTrade. So actually talking about the referral program, we already have the DAO reward program. It's in effect for token sale launch, and it's going to be in effect for the DeFi Lab products. So how we're doing it is, first of all, it's all a blockchain-based referral program. So it's something new in the world of decentralized finance. Not a lot of projects have been doing that. It's 15 levels deep, and it can be scaled on all of our products. First of all, you can start with token sale. You can acquire invite referrals who are going to be purchasing tokens and giving you some more rewards. And also after the launch of our products, this referral structure, it stays the same. It stays in the same place so that you can continue getting rewards from the profits that your referrals are getting on the DeFi Lab. Yes.
Thank you. The next question, and probably most of them, is rather for LocalTrade. So I saw an announcement that you are going to Brazil to start a crypto educational program. How to apply and how do you pick who could attend it?
Yes, so actually talking about the crypto education, yeah, we're trying to raise a generation of independent crypto investors who can be empowered with the right knowledge, because in the crypto field, there is not a lot of relevant educational sources. You have to find everything for yourself. And this is why we have established the LocalTrade University initiative. So the LocalTrade University, it's first of all a online educational platform, and also it's a real world educational initiative which has started from the Latin Americas. So right now, the university is on tour across all the Latin America, with stops in 4 cities, I guess, in Brazil, and they're going to be transferring to more countries soon, with live events and live speakers, educating people about crypto, about trading, and about how can you get good in this sphere, so that people can see that cryptocurrencies aren't that scary for them. Yeah, it's something that we all of us can use, and that's how we're trying to embrace mass adoption.
And why Brazil? Why Latin America? Why are you starting from that?
Latin America, we're actually interested in emerging markets. There is a great amount of emerging markets right now, and we're trying to give people without the proper opportunity to educate themselves. Yes, people from underserved by the financial services countries. We're trying to give these people the opportunity and the right tools to succeed in this modern world.
It's gonna be in Portuguese or in English?
The courses, actually, we have 3 I think we have speakers that are both bilingual, so they can speak English, Portuguese, and Spanish. Yes.
Okay. Trilinguals. There is another question. Sorry, 1 to 3, regarding partnership with PureFi. Probably I already explained it. PureFi gonna act as a protocol for onboarding investors and users and to make LocalTrade compliant. The next question, rather for LocalTrade. It says you are a full-fledged tax trading platform and DeFi investment platform. What's more popular now? Do you see significant shift of users from tax to DeFi investment platform, from centralized exchange to DeFi?
Okay, I get it. Thanks. That's a really actually good question. So right now, DeFi, even though the DeFi is booming, we can see the user flow go into the DeFi lab sphere, but this user flow to the DeFi lab website doesn't show any significant negative effect on the users from CeFi lab, from the centralized exchange, because a lot of our users, they're trying to get into all of our products, into the whole scope of our ecosystem, and they're trying to get, so they're getting into the DeFi lab and they're getting into the centralized exchange also. That's especially useful for them in long term, because we're going to be integrating our token not only in the DeFi lab products but also into the centralized exchange. So we're going to be developing it and sustaining it.
So what you're saying that those users are totally different users. The same flow we have to centralized exchange, but we have totally new flow of users to DeFi ecosystem.
No, we've seen the flow, the inflow of users from centralized exchange to the DeFi lab. It has been almost like 95% of users. They have not transferred, not like fully transferred, but they have started using the DeFi lab in synergy with centralized exchange. But we are also seeing new users coming to DeFi lab, and then they're transferring to the centralized exchange in order to do some other trading. Yes, so some orders, some more conversions, until we launch our decentralized exchange and liquidity pools. This is going to be the most viable way to convert funds. Yes, to convert between cryptos, the centralized exchange.
And the next question, rather to you or to both of us, what the future of DeFi from your point of view?
So who should start? Should it be me or you?
Let's start from me. From my point of view, I believe DeFi ecosystem gonna grow, and the whole traditional financial product that already exists from many years ago gonna be presented on the DeFi ecosystem, on DeFi markets, and probably sooner or later the regulation will come and regulate this sphere as well, but in a different way, and let's see which way it's gonna be.
Yeah, and it's, you know, from this point of view, it's really good that you PureFi are doing the AML checks. Yes, and and protecting us from dirty money, because when the regulators come, they're not going to be able to differentiate between that, and we're going to be needing specialized tools. But in my opinion, yes, I totally agree with you. And also, I want to say that DeFi, the future of DeFi, it's scattered across different blockchains. So right now we have the Ethereum blockchain. It was the father and mother of all decentralized finance with smart contracts, but right now it's unsustainable. You just can't use Ethereum for smart contract transactions, because they cost like how many $100 to send you USDT? Yeah, that's way too many. Right now we're seeing more competitors come into this field, like Binance Smart Chain, like Solana, like Cardano. Yes, with their parachains. No, Polkadot and their parachains. So I think the future of DeFi is yet undecided, but it is going to be scattered across different platforms, and we're going to need to be searching for synergy in that.
And talking about Solana or let's say Polygon, Binance Smart Chain, what do you personally think about their, let's say, not enough decentralization? Is it is it good or it's something totally not defined?
Well, yeah, it goes contrary with all the DeFi principles because centralization is inherently bad, but you cannot really build a fully decentralized system anywhere. Like right now, even Bitcoin's blockchain is not really that decentralized because most of the miners, they have been located in the Chinese region, I guess, or somewhere in the Asian region. So if some governments try to take most of the mining power, yes, get most of the hash rate, so they're going to be able to commence a 51% attack. So decentralization it's inherently good, but we cannot get fully decentralized in ideal, and we have to choose between the best option possible right now.
Thanks for your answer. Oh my God, there are so many questions from live session. Let me pick. I will not able to ask all of them. Let me pick some. When will the project will be launched? When will the project will be launched?
So yeah, of course, talking about the DeFi Lab, initial launch was commenced with the start of our token sale. We have launched the DeFi Lab website, and we have launched the fundamental architecture for our staking system for the DeFi Lab further products. Talking about NeoBroker Smart Fund is coming out today. Yeah, pretty much. Talking about the DeFi, we also have the DeFi wallet. It's going to be the wallet with integrated cross-chain decentralized exchange. And it is coming out by the end of this year. So pretty much late December. Yes. Talking about other upcoming products, the yield farming aggregator is coming after that in the first quarter of 2022. And ICO Investpool is also coming out in the first quarter of 2022.
So many products, guys.
Yeah, that's like
just impossible to remember all of them. When local launch and DeFi MVP. Very interesting question. Would I get benefit in the long term from this project? And how can I get started?
so you can get started by actually I'll answer it starting from the end. You can get started by going to our website and searching for the opportunities, the offering that suits you. So whether it's going to be tokens, NeoBroker Smart Fund, or just using our centralized exchange, there is something for everyone in LocalTrade. But talking about the long-term perspective, first of all, we're trying to build this project for a long-term. We're looking at this project from a long-term perspective. A lot of users, they have only been interested in our project for the token, for the LocalTrade token and the growth of this token. But we want to change this perception a little bit. And that's why we have integrated such a system like a token package. When you're buying LocalTrade tokens, some percentage of these tokens is going to be converted into our internal stablecoin. It's local USD. So this internal stablecoin can be used to invest into DeFi Lab products. So users are incentivized this way, not only to look at the token and to buy and sell the token, but they're incentivized to use our products and to get into the decentralized finance. So by using our products, they can get like through the gateway to DeFi, and then when they get more interested, they get better like benefits. They see a lot of more other products. They're just pretty much staying there. They're linked to DeFi.
Thank you. And the next question is to PureFi. Just a moment. What will DeFi ecosystem? Blah blah blah. Why will the DeFi ecosystem contract PureFi services if Crystal and Chainalysis already exist? Why is better versus Crystal and Chainalysis? So we do not compete directly with Crystal and Chainalysis. We rather incorporate their analytics into our protocol. What is special about PureFi. PureFi is fitted to Web 3.0 DeFi ecosystem, and we provide services exactly for, especially for DeFi projects, and it's easy to integrate our web widget, which is essentially a JavaScript library, and it's easy to integrate, super fast, super quickly. We communicate with this market. We know what this market exactly needs, and also we provide analytics not from one source, but from many of them. We combine them and we provide results, which is especially needed for DeFi ecosystem. Lot, are you cross-chain? This is the question. Oh, it's not to LocalTrade. Sorry. Is the KYC needed for LocalTrade IDO?
The LocalTrade IDO, that actually depends on the platform that is going to be listed for IDO. In my opinion, as I know, the term initial decentralized offering, like it means that there is not going to be any KYC. So yes, as in my knowledge, the NFBT, the first platform that has actually confirmed on the IDO, they're going to be providing it without the need for KYC. As for the IDO with PureFi, I have not yet known about the full terms. Yes, so they're going to be published a little bit later that week.
This is an interesting question. LocalTrade name sounds me supporting some regional focused project tokens. Do you guys have such aim too?
Oh, that's actually yeah. I know where they're coming from. Yes, I can hear that, but really, we're not like aiming to support locally grown projects, because we're trying to build a more global initiative, as with the LocalTrade University, but we have a launchpad. Yes, we have one of our also products is going to be a launchpad. This is pretty much a platform that allows innovative crypto projects to get more attention, to grow, and to get worldwide exposures through our platforms and through our audience. So it provides a double-sided incentive, something like that, for our users. They're going to be able to to be engaged into the hottest, the most innovative projects in the crypto space currently available, and such projects from the other side are going to be able to get this exposure and to get the much needed audience for them. So we're not like doing the locally grown projects, we're doing more like technologically grown projects.
Okay, thank you. And I believe you already answered this question, but let's repeat it again. Where is whitelist?
The whitelist, maybe they're talking about the white paper?
No, whitelist, how to whitelist it for IDO, for your IDO.
To get whitelisted for our IDO, we're going to be sharing the links for the IDO. It starts December 7. Yes, the date is December 7, and by that time, you're going to be able to get all the links and all the info on our website. Yes.
Okay. Thank you. And the rest is the question is about Moon, DEX, and probably two last questions. Is staking available?
Staking right now, yes, it's actually staking is widely used in our ecosystem. It is the basis of our referral reward system, for example. So what we're doing right now with staking is users, when they purchase tokens, LocalTrade tokens right now, they're not getting them to their wallet instantly. These tokens, instead, they're getting staked in our smart contract. And while they're getting staked, users are getting the referral reward tier. Yes, and the higher the tier, the more opportunities you get in developing your own referral network. Yes. So other than that, we use staking we also have the staking rewards program. So right now, all tokens are locked until the end of our token sale round B, January 20. The token sale is going to end. And this is when the token unlocking will start taking place. And starting from that time, users are going to be able to each month unlock and withdraw some amount of their tokens. Yes, depending on the round they purchased it from. And for the staking reward system, all the tokens that are no, not all. Yeah, all the tokens that are left in the staking pool in the smart contract, they're going to be participating in staking rewards program. So what it means that we're going to be distributing 5 million LTT tokens among all the stakers according to their proportion of purchased tokens. So each month there's gonna be like 400 to 20,000 tokens distributed, I guess. Yeah. Yes.
Yeah, sounds huge. So let me finalize it. Let me summarize it. LocalTrade going to have a token sale soon. They already established their IDO date. PureFi provides pre-IDO financial audit, anti-money laundering audit of all their funds coming in right now. And we're gonna integrate on a product level for the DeFi and centralized products they already have and they're gonna have in the future. Stay tuned, because we're gonna announce a mutual round for PureFi holders. So hold and believe in DeFi market and believe in LocalTrade. Thanks, Ivan. Thanks for your time.
Thank you, Slava. Thanks for having me. Yeah, it was a pleasure.
Thank you.